Hello, Magnus from Sweden here. Short video, maybe not so short. Some thoughts about theories. First question, what is a theory? We have a lot of misunderstanding when we listen especially to anti-scientists and science deniers claiming that a theory is just an idea, a hunch, a hint, or some crazy ideas that has bubbled up in someone's brain and has nothing to do with reality, when the opposite is what is very much what it is about. A theory can be described as the best description we have of our observations and the reality. It can be like a mathematical formula describing, for instance, Snell's law that says how light refracts when going from one medium to another. It can be a lengthy description of the tectonic plates and how they work and how they describe earthquakes, volcanoes, etc. Or it can be a bunch of documents from a police investigation ending up on the prosecutor's desk, making up a case against a criminal with forensic analysis, photos, witnesses, whatever. The best description we have of reality. However, we can also more or less see a theory as a model, and nor the model nor the theory is something that is carved in stone, but is constantly scrutinized and objected for new angles of attack, getting better instruments, new knowledge that can change our theories or even debunk them, replace them with new and better theories that describes our world. And when we are talking about experiments, we must know that many of the kind of experiments that especially flat earthers refer to are not solely performed 100 or 2,000 years ago, but are repeated over and over again just to see that we are on the right track. So measuring the circumference of our planet has been made not only by Greek and Arabic guys back in the old times, but has been done over and over and over again. And just a few decades ago, a description in the hobby magazine Nuts and Bolts of a method to simply measure the speed of light was published. With an oscilloscope, some mirrors, a laser, anyone could measure the speed of light. But what about a globe Earth theory? Is there a globe Earth theory? I would say that in a way it doesn't exist, because we know very much about how our university looks like, though we are making new foundings every now and then. but how our Earth, the Moon, the Sun, all the planets in our solar system, how they work, we know perfectly well. We take it for granted. It is nothing we have to measure and confirm every day. It's a fact. It's a fact. That is carved in stone. But astronomers are constantly looking outwards, want to have a better description of the outer space, finding black holes, finding evidence of planets orbiting other suns, planets that may look almost like ours. They want to find the boundaries of our universe. They want to have an explanation of this dark energy and dark matter, whatever that is. And they are working on it. And they are working on it with extremely special equipment. You cannot look for Higgs particle using a Nikon P900, and you cannot determine or count the number of moons around Saturn by using a Nikon P900. You need special instruments for that. So let's finish this with some ideas about the flat Earth and the flat Earth theory, or a flat Earth model. Some claim that they don't want to make any claims because probably they know that they will be debunked. No claim will hold up against scrutiny. Sorry. So it's just better to try to debunk the globe Earth, making YouTube videos and making money. Many of the prominent flat earthers are making all those YouTube videos just, yeah. However, there is a bunch of wannabe prominent flatheads that are making claims. They produce models. However, the models and the theories must somehow be consistent with the observations we make. We cannot go to a beach on a foggy day and take a photo and say, this photo proves the Earth is flat. We cannot pour salt in water and drop an egg into the water and say, this proves that. Because an experiment, a real scientific experiment, requires more than just shooting from the hip and hoping some of the shots may end up in the right place. So we very seldom see serious flat Earth models. We seldom see serious flat Earth theories. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. And the ones we see, like a lady recently shown on Simon Dan's channel, a lady playing with Play-Doh on a Tupperware tray. Well, that was a joke. That was a good joke, though it wasn't intended as a joke. So finally, I just have to say, I don't think, I'm pretty much convinced, there is no model, no theory of a flat Earth. And really, we still are waiting for a working model of a flat Earth. Not any debunking of the real world, but a working model of the flat Earth, describing how all the observations we daily make is consistent with that model. Okay, this ends today's show. Turning off the camera. Slava Ukraina. Bye bye.